Epithelial Mesothelioma Prognosis. Typically, a malignant epithelioid mesothelioma type diagnosis starts off evolved whilst a patient complains of symptoms. Doctors will then follow numerous steps to look if epithelioid mesothelioma is causing the symptoms. Physical examination. Docs will first carry out a physical examination to determine the reason of the symptoms. Many signs and symptoms of epithelioid mesothelioma can be unsuitable for much less extreme and greater common illnesses. A physical examination can assist doctors rule out different conditions. If you are displaying signs of mesothelioma, your doctor may additionally ask you about any times of asbestos exposure. Imaging checks. If doctors assume you can have most cancers based totally for your physical exam, they'll use imaging exams to search for tumors, scar tissue, or different symptoms of mesothelioma. Imaging tests may encompass X-rays, MRI scans, CT scans, or puppy scans. Imaging checks are important as they could show wherein in all likelihood cancerous tumors are placed to your body. Blood checks. Docs may order blood tests to diagnose epithelial mesothelioma or look for other situations. Via these checks, medical doctors will observe sure biomarkers which can also imply that mesothelioma is present. This enables doctors distinguish mesothelioma cells from cells of other comparable illnesses and keep away from misdiagnosis. In keeping with the American Society of Medical Oncology, the diagnostic process for epithelioid mesothelioma should encompass immunohistochemistry staining, a type of biomarker check. This lets in docs to look for certain proteins and other signs and symptoms of mesothelioma most cancers. Biopsy. If doctors locate symptoms of cancer in imaging and blood exams, they may order a biopsy. A biopsy is the most effective way to confirm a mesothelioma prognosis. Doctors will acquire small fluid or tissue samples from likely cancerous tissue through a small needle and study it underneath a microscope to look if mesothelioma cells are present. Once the health practitioner confirms the presence of mesothelioma, they could see if the cells are epithelioid cells.